In this video, we will see how we can use or read the Excel file and insert it inside a library as we have done earlier. Directly we can read the Excel file. For this, the syntax is we have to use libname. Let me explain. Start with this one, libname first. Libname, I have to give a library reference. This is the name of the library. Then I have to use the base, that is the engine that we are using. You have to write it. It is XLSX. Within the inverted code, you have to write the path for that particular Excel file. So it is not the folder you have to take, it is the whole path of the Excel file. You have to write it. Then you have to write one option called as valid variable name. Valid var name is equal to v7. That means version 7 format for the SAS will be used to convert the Excel data entries, that is variable names, into the SAS variable names. So if there is a space, you can identify that the space can be replaced with underscore using this method. If you don't want to associate this libref, you want to clear it off from the library list, so then you can use the clear option. So libname, that particular name of the library, and you can clear it. Let's see with the SAS code. Here we are with the SAS code. So here I am considering options valid var name is equal to v7. So this is the standard option that you need to use all the time whenever you are importing Excel file into the libraries. So I'll be getting this particular Excel file into the library, and that library will have a name Excel class. So Excel class is the name of the library which will appear over here, and that will be associated with the particular folder. This particular file, this Excel file, will be called in. So this particular file, where do I have it under bsas data. Under that class is the Excel file. So if I open it, so I have it here under bsas, under data. When I expand it, I'll get this file excel class.xlsx. So when you right click, explore for that property, scroll down to properties. So here is the location. This particular file path you have to copy, and you have to put it inside the inverted comma, inverted quotes. So this is the location of that particular Excel file. So using the XLSX engine, it will be associated with the Excel class library name. So if you want to remove it, then you have to execute this. Do not execute these together. Execute only these two lines, that is options valid var name and libname, two statements. All these are global statements. Execute only these two statements and observe it under libraries. So let me execute. I'm expecting one Excel class one particular file here. Here it is. So Excel class, under that you have 4 SAS table associated. So in the code I have associated only this particular file. Class is the file which I have associated to the library Excel class. But now here what has happened, under Excel class I have 4 different SAS table associated. What you need to do is, in your original data file, the data file what you have to explore to that particular file and verify the different Excel sheets, that is sheets you have to verify, and the sheet names, individual sheet names will have this particular names. Let's verify that. Now here we are into the folders within the SAS University Edition. My folders bsas, I have got into that particular folder, that is data. Within this data, the Excel file is present. This is the file class XLSX file is this one. I have to open it. When I double click open it, I find that there are 4 sheets, 1 2 3 4, and if you verify, it is the same names. So basically what's happening is these individual sheets are being transformed as 4 different SAS tables. So with the same name, whatever sheet name you have given here, sheet name whatever is given, same sheet names are transformed into the SAS table file names. What we need to observe right now here is this one. I have a particular name, variable name here under class test. Under class test, I have the variable name test space score. There is a space. We know that any variable cannot have a space, right? So let's see what has happened in the SAS table here. So under class test, if I scroll down, right, when I expand that, I see that the variable name is test underscore score, right? There is an underscore that has come into picture. Why it has come? Here it is a space. The space is replaced with a underscore, right? So the reason why it has happened is this, because of this one. It is because of the valid variable name v7, valid var name is equal to v7 we have used. Because of this, the variable name which is not according to the SAS table is transformed into the SAS table format. That's the advantage of having this particular options global statement. If you don't want to have this particular excel class, you can execute libname xlc class clear, so that it clears xlc class, it gets refreshed, and yeah, that's no more. So that particular libref is removed from the list. That's it for this video. Thank you.